Hey, I'm Sergeant First Class Ferran Dozier. I'm here at the military base, and I have the sickle cell trait. Now, why I got involved is I experienced what they call sickle cell trait exertion. And I was doing the Army physical fitness test, the 2-mile run. When I got done, I collapsed. A lot of soldiers and athletes have been dying on football fields and running track, and the family members have no idea that they have the sickle cell trait gene or that it's a trigger. So my purpose is to mobilize the community so we can find out what's in your genes. How will life be if we could prevent another child from being born with sickle cell trait or disease? And if a child was born with the trait or disease, that the family members would have the education, awareness, and resources in every city that they lived in. So tune into our webinar series and find out what's the count. Back to you in the studios. Sickle cell trait is an inherited gene. Most people aren't aware of the risk factors and how this gene is inherited. For more information, visit wdconsct.org. He allowed me to help finish it up. I have a radio show. I got into radio by my depression. I was a huge sports fan, but in my depression, I lost interest in sports. So a friend of mine was like, why don't you do a sports show? I was like, all right. So I was on a sports show, and that's when I started to find out that sickle cell trait was important as well. So I combined them together, and then I separated them. So I've been doing the podcasting since 2010. Thousands of followers, all that kind of crazy stuff. But it's not about the followers. It's about the message. So I would do the same thing for one person, whether it's 1 or 10,000. So this guy got me rapping.
We did this. I was depressed. I ended up the day my wife died. I wasn't in my right frame of mind. I moved out of my apartment. I was just lost. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna do something just to keep my mind off of my losing my wife. But it's hard. You've been married so long. You're not just gonna get over that overnight. So I wrote this song called Battle of the Genes at his house, and I was gonna do it by myself, but I ended up putting him on there.
So the battle, I expanded his song to red cells versus white cells.
I'm the red cell.
So if you understand other chronic illnesses like lupus, those are the white cells, leukemia. So those red blood cells do fight each other. The white cells protect your immune system. So sometimes when those white cells, like in lupus, you get so many white cells that it can't tell the difference between the virus and the organs, so it starts attacking the body. It's like being the president and your Secret Service being started to attack you. And so there's no cure for these diseases. So, here we go.
When I'm not ready, I'm ready.
He's a rapper. Turn my headphones up a little bit.
Yeah, that's cool. You get the concept of the song. I'm old school, so. I fell asleep for a minute, I was scared. I didn't feel my heartbeat, man, was I dead? Ran out of air and I passed out. Now I understand why my cells be dying. The red ones, let me break it down like a fraction. DBC wasn't always a rapper. I used to love singing, I drank, I started walking backwards. I didn't have the power because I never did action. Born with the sickness was a challenge, was holding me captive. This is my weakness, but Christ my passion. I'ma keep blessing and confessing. Time real sick, so I failed, so I claim my healing. Christ is who I'm feeling, sticking me, poking me, over-medicating me in this hospital. I'm hoping they release me from the battle of the genes.
The battle of the genes, Lord, set me free. From this battle of the genes,
I got the victory.
The battle of the genes, Lord, set me free. From this battle of the genes, I got the victory. The battle of the genes, Lord, set me free. From this battle of the genes, I got the victory. The battle of the genes, Lord, set me free. From this battle of the genes, I got the victory.
Tired, real sick, never lost my focus. But once in a while, it feels so hopeless. Been sick my whole life, but I kept the fight. Then 20 years later, I received Christ, all I hear for a reason. He sells us tricky, breaking my body down, feel like screaming. Yelling worldwide, we take this by force, sharing our stories. Ain't no stopping us. Each and every week, we speak and teach. Just log on in, and you can be reached. Young and old, steady dying. Ain't no destroy me, just eat the right things. SCD is in your genes. Time to get tested and reselected. This is your community, that's where the help is. The battle of the genes.
Oh, it's my turn, right? Yeah. Y'all ready? I'm the white cell now.
Lord set me free.
I ain't got no victory. It's my time.
The battle of the genes, Lord set me free.
What?
I got the victory.
It's my time. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I hear what you're saying, but I gotta be me. Those red blood cells, I'm gonna set them free. Can't let them overtake me. Now that won't happen. Just like in Lucas, yeah, we attacking. You can pray all you want to, even change the diet. Already checked in, just like the Hyatt. No, you won't stop me. Yes, you can mock me. Look at DBC, red cells keep dropping. Been around a long time, over 100 years. Many have died. I got them all scared. You can take the medication, the work's in a season, but I'm gonna keep coming. Keep teasing all through your body. Yes, we take it over. We coming with the force. Red cells move over. Beware, beware. We all on the rise. We can't be stopped. White cells must die.
That's the song. That's the message in the song.
In the locker room, and I had the crisis. I was in the locker room crying. I was alone, and I was just frustrated at the fact that I keep having these muscle spasms. I can't get through practice, and I just felt kind of helpless. And lo and behold, there was a fact sheet right there in the locker room that said sickle cell trait. And I said, oh, wow, like I have this. I remember my mom told me I have this, like, let's read about it. So I looked over the fact sheet, and I promise you, like, I went down the fact sheet, and everything there, it was like a checklist for me. It talked about how if you do fast spurts, fast sprints, you know, you can't hang, you're too tired, you need more rest. It talked about how you always get cramps if you're dehydrated. Just everything on there. It talked about having exercise-induced asthma, which I have. So it was really just like a checklist, like